Hello everyone, welcome back to Legears vlog. Today I'm taking you on a peaceful journey to my hotel, surrounded by forests and mountains here in Germany. If you enjoy nature and relaxing travel videos, come along with me. Right now I'm waiting for the bus at Stadtpark Bendorf. The weather is nice and everything feels calm. It's one of those quiet moments where you can simply enjoy the surroundings while waiting for the next adventure. Public transportation in Germany is very reliable, and it's a great way to discover places outside the busy cities. Even while waiting at the bus stop, the peaceful atmosphere already makes this trip feel special. Here comes my bus. It actually looks more like a large, comfortable van than a regular city bus. It's clean, modern, and very cozy inside. There are only a few passengers, making the ride even more relaxing. Let's hop on and continue our journey. As the bus leaves the stop, the scenery begins to change. Buildings slowly disappear, replaced by beautiful trees, green fields, and rolling hills. Every minute of the ride becomes more peaceful. We're now heading deeper into the forest area. The fresh mountain air and the beautiful landscape make this ride unforgettable. Look at all these tall trees surrounding the road. Nature here is simply amazing. If you're someone who enjoys quiet places away from the crowds, this area is definitely worth visiting. The road starts going downhill, giving us even better views of the forest. Everything looks so green and refreshing. It's the perfect escape from a busy lifestyle. Sometimes we all need moments like this to slow down, enjoy God's beautiful creation, and appreciate the simple blessings around us. The peaceful sound of the bus, the fresh air outside, and the relaxing scenery create a wonderful travel experience. We're getting closer to the hotel now. Hidden among the trees, it feels like a peaceful retreat in the mountains. It's exciting to finally arrive after this beautiful journey. We've reached the hotel. Now I'm inside the lobby, waiting for the staff so I can check in. The lobby has a warm and welcoming atmosphere, making me feel comfortable right away. After the relaxing bus ride through the forest, it's nice to finally take a short break before exploring more of this beautiful place. I can't wait to show you the hotel and everything around it in the next part of this adventure. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey through the forests and mountains of Germany, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Legears vlog, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my future adventures. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next vlog.